Hello everyone, myself Ami Mehta, and in this session we discuss various types of languages which is used in computer and what is algorithm in computer system. So first we consider what is types of languages. Okay, so there are basically three types of languages: machine level language, assembly level language, and high level languages. So here is the actual how languages is plot or used in computers and why it is used. So here it is basically hardware, so we cannot directly understand language of hardware. So for that particular language is called machine language. Then after, in between language is assembly language, and uppermost is high level language. So let us discuss one by one. So basically, what is programming language? A programming language is a formal constructed language designed to communicate instructions to a machine, particularly a computer. So it is nothing but a formal construction of language which is particularly designed for communication purpose. And communication to what? Communication for computer. Okay, if we both know, okay, English language, then we directly communicate. But someone person is not known English language, then how we communicate? So that's why some language is formatted. Okay, so here a programming language is designed or formally constructed language for communication purpose to computer. Now, a machine level language, a computer's native language is called machine language. Machine language is the most primitive or basic programming language that starts or takes instruction in the form of raw binary code. Now, I think all of you know that computer is only understand this binary value, means computer only understands 0 and 1. Okay, so for that the 0 1 basic programming language is nothing but a machine level language. So that if you wanted to give a computer an instruction in its native or machine language, you have to manually enter the instruction as binary code. Now if you want to give particular instruction to computer, you have to write manually particular binary code. If you want to write in machine language, then, but it is very tedious process. Okay, now what is assembly level language? So programming in machine language is tedious. You have to program every command from scratch. Means you have to write basic commands in 0 and 1. And it is very hard and tedious task. And it is also hard to read and modify. The ones and zeros are kind of hard to work with. For these reasons, assembly language was developed as an alternative to machine language. A human being did not directly write machine language. So for that purpose, assembly level language is designed for the alternative to machine language. Now, assembly language uses short descriptive words like here it give an example that add 2 comma 3 comma result. What it does, it add 2 and 3 and its result stored in this result. So this short descriptive words is used to represent each of the machine language instruction. So machine language instruction, whatever it is, it will be converted into this short descriptive words. Okay, so this is assembly level language. It is used to overcome the disadvantage in machine language that a human being cannot write in 0 and 1s. Now the next is high level language. High level languages are platform independent, meaning that you can write and run high-level languages on different types of machines. So basically, in programming we used high-level languages: C, Java, .NET. These all are high-level language. A program written in a high-level language is called the source code, and the source code must be translated into machine code before the computer can execute the source code. So whenever the code we write in any language, whether it is C, C Sharp, Java, .NET, these all are called source code, and source code must be translated into machine code before the computer can execute the source code. So these are the three types of language: machine level, assembly level, and high level language. Now, what is actually algorithms in computer system? So algorithm is nothing but a well-defined step-by-step procedure for solving a problem. Or we can say that a sequence of unambiguous instructions. Okay, so we have an input, then what we do? We write set of rules to obtain the expected output from the given input. So this set of rules or set of instruction or step-by-step procedure, this is nothing but the algorithm, and this algorithm is written for particular purpose. If we want particular output, for that purpose this algorithm is written, and based on that we get output. So this is the basic example of algorithm, how to write algorithm. Algorithm to find largest number from two number. So step 1, if start, then in step 2 read two numbers a and b. In step 3 comparison between a and b, that if a greater than b, then go to step 5. So whether we consider these two number 20 and 12. So if it is a, if it is b, then 20 is greater than 12, then it is directly go to step 5, and here it is written that print a is maximum, means 20 is maximum. Now if number is like 12 and 10, or this is b and this is a, then 10 is not greater than 12. So what? It go to step 4, and here it is written that print b is maximum. So print 12 is maximum, and then go to step 6, means here directly go to stop. So this is the basic example of how to write algorithm for finding a largest number from two numbers. Okay, and this is second example of how to find that whether given number is even or odd. So basic example of odd even is if modulo of any number by 2 is 0, then this number is even. Okay, so step 1 is but obvious, start. Then we take in step 2 two numbers. Suppose we get 6. Okay, in step 2 we get input number which is 6. So if number modulo 2, in step 3 what we do? 6 modulo 2, which is equal to actually 0. 6 modulo 2, which is equal to 0. Then go to step 5 and we print that given number is even. If it is 5 module 2, which is not equal to 0, then we print that given number is odd and go to step 6, which is stop. So this is the basic examples of algorithm, and this is all about what is algorithm, various types of languages and example of algorithm. Thank you.